after the arrest of Duterte, you know, people are asking what does it take to deliver justice, in this case to particular people.
Mhm.
But the
Yes.
real question, sabi niya, is what will it take to redeem an entire society?
Yes, I believe so. I agree because the jailing of the butcher is just a fraction. I will not say I will not downplay it to a tiny, but I will say that the cohorts are still very much in the game in Philippine society. No, the influence that they have, the power that they have in their hands is still very much at their disposal. So that is still a question that needs continuous answer and action.